Hello, my name is Steve Milton, and this is my presentation for Enhancement 8. We're starting out at the base screen, the home screen here. Let's go pick a product. So we'll go ahead and pick our Canon product, and then we'll get our views of the Canon. So here's the two Canons that we have available. And then these, you'll notice we have the title links on here for each one, and these are links as well, so both these things will go to the same place. So first time we'll just click the picture so I can show you that that works. It takes me to the image, and where we have all the information here that we're supposed to have. It's responsive, down to all that stuff, so all that works well. You'll notice up here we have the name of it as well, so we do get that in the title bar. That was a little trickier than I thought it would be, but I was able to use a session variable instead of trying to use the env name because I didn't have that as part of my product description information. But anyway, it works. So it was pretty cool that I was able to figure that one out. If we go to a different one, so let's go look at our rockets. There's our rockets. It also comes up, let's go back and look at our rocket again and show you that this does work as well. As far as valid HTML and CSS, they should be valid. Let's make sure. Valid, there's our valid CSS. And then let's go look at our valid HTML. Let's see, all valid there, so all good. All right, so all that's good. Let me see, what else did we need to show on this? We did use the valid that where we can resize it. We showed the resizing of it going down to the smallest. There's our mobile view, and then our tablets, and then we go to the big, large screen view. All the information does stay on there. We are pulling all the information from the database, depending on which item it is. So if we go to a different item, let's go look at the small bomb. It's pulling all that information. We go look at miscellaneous. That's the one that has the most items. All those things are scrolling across there nicely, so all that looks good. As I shrink it down, it wraps the way it's supposed to, so all that's good too. And once it gets in small view, then it drops below or drops down like it's supposed to. So all that's good. And if we look at the mini view, we'll see all the stuff there as well. I think that is everything that I need to show. I believe so. I'm detailed new view, change screen size at that, repeat multiple times at that, clicked on the main navigation bar, load the Acme site, and then look at development. Yep, all that stuff's good. So that's what we did. So everything is good. I was happy with the way this thing turned out as well. And really the only hard thing about this one is really just getting the MVC concepts down to where you're saying the name pairs and where it's going to and how it's all going to be driven by the index. And then basically the rest was just CSS playing around with. But thank you very much.